Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on professional tools on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and you should have to tap on menu icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now tap on setting icon. Now scroll down below. Then you can see the option of professional settings. So again tap on it. Now from here you can see the option of turn on messaging tools. So tap on it. Now tap on continue which is available on the bottom of your screen. Now tap on turn on tools. Now see, you have successfully turned on professional messaging tools. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.